Ang Becky reunion nagbigay ng saya sa netizens. Isang masayang reunion at bonding session ang ibinahagi ni Kim Chiu, Angelica Panganiban at Bella Padilla. Ibinahagi ni Kim Chiu ang isang dance challenge kung saan may pa-outfit change pa ang tatlo. Masaya lang ang naging pagkikita ng magkakaibigan dahil recovering na din si Angelica Panganiban sa kanyang naganap na operasyon. Nagdiwang sila at nagpapasalamat dahil hindi na nakakaramdam ng sakit si Angelica Panganiban at nakakasayaw na din ito ng paunti-unti. Tunay ngang malaki ang malasakit ni Kim Chiu at Bella Padilla sa kaibigan dahil hindi nila iniwan si Angelica sa masakit na pinagdaanan nito. Samantala nag-post naman si Bella Padilla ng picture nilang tatlo na may caption na, "We had a simple merienda dinner together. We also had 3 different kinds of chocolate cake that were all delicious. And as I was eating and listening to Angelica and Kim talk, I realized we've all come so far from the girls we were in 2017 heartbroken but with hearts full of fire. Whether for films, for love that just wasn't working out, for personal problems, or for our dreams that we wouldn't even tell each other. The 3 of us were so hungry for more and so keen to prove how much we could do, but yesterday, I saw 2 women who I've seen through their bests and their worsts, and they've seen me through less storms and sunny days too. I loved seeing them be present. Yesterday felt like coming home. I'm very proud of you too, at Angelica and at Chinita Princess. You guys make me look forward to life. And for that I'm always grateful." Nagkomento naman si Kim Chiu ng "Love you Momsi." Isa ito sa patunay na solid na talaga ang kanilang samahan at pinagtibay ng mga problema at panahon ang kanilang pagkakaibigan. Looking forward naman ang tatlo sa kanilang mga lakad at bonding in the future. Anong masasabi niyo sa balitang ito? Comment down below. Maraming salamat sa panonood at huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe for more videos.